Hey guys, now we'll be making a Tsonga snack that it's called xifaki. In English we call it mealie, and some of you guys call it lifila or boni. To cook this, it only takes 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, it depends on how hard they are or how soft they are. So to cook this, we only need water and salt only. So I won't be showing you everything when I cook it because it takes time. I will only show you half of it. In the pompo, mostly at the villages, we plant this during November and harvest this during February and March to April. By then, those ones are the best ones that we plant at our homes and at our villages that our grannies plant for us. So these ones I didn't get them from our grannies. I bought it from the street, from people who bought them from farmers. So here it is. As you can see, it's so fresh, but I still have to cook it. As you can see, that is the inside of the mealie. It's still raw. When it's now ready to eat, you will see even the leaves will change from the greenish to the yellowish. So I will start to cook them now, and I will show you how we cook this. But then this it's not too much work because we only need salt and water, and just for it to boil and to make sure. Now we're preparing to cook them, and then I'm cutting them since I will be using a bigger pan. That's why I'm cutting them, because I will be using a small pot. And I'll also add some salt when I feel like now they are halfway cooked. Now we have to check if our mealie is halfway or it's done. It's only halfway. So now we'll be adding our salt into it. You can see that they are almost ready. We just want that water to get lost, and I have poured some salt in it, as you can see. Even the color has changed now to yellow, as you can see. It shows that they are halfway done. They are almost ready, as you can see. We're waiting for the salt to also dissolve so that it gets inside our mealie. Then it will be ready to take. Now we are checking again if they are done. It looks like they are done now. There is no more water in them, and even the color has changed already. Shows that they are well cooked now. So I will take them and I'm done, guys, cooking our xifaki. They are now cooked, well done, and they are so And then it tastes so good, it's so average. This is nice, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. We're done cooking our xifaki. On the next clip, we'll be doing the Shibelani dance. I hope that you stay tuned.